Hello everyone, in today's video, I will demonstrate how to make your Steam profile private. If you wish to add an additional layer of privacy to your Steam profile, please follow these steps. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to store.steampowered.com. Tap on the three dots, and select Desktop Site. Log into your Steam account. Click on your profile name located at the top right corner of the screen. Select View My Profile from the drop-down menu. On your profile page, click on Edit Profile. Navigate to the Privacy Settings section. By default, your profile is set to public. To make it private, simply click on Public and change it to Private. Your privacy settings will be saved automatically. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content.